This is my DK Cleveland bike check that I just got today. I just got her today. Everything on it pretty much is stock. I didn't put any new parts on it. Stock leather, cables, gyro, all stock. Only really thing I put on there is I put my front. I got a G-Sport front hub guard, zip tied on there, and I got my rear car guard. Gotta have those, break your stuff grinding. I got my stock pegs on there. Got my stock tires, folding tires, chrome plated back rim. It's nice. I got my sticky pad brakes, if you can see them, green. And that's really it, man. Everything's on it. Like everything that's on it right now is stock. Check me out by probably back in like a month. Everything on here will be custom. Everything. Probably just have the frame left. So here she is, a bone stock. Just got it today. Thanks for watching.